Good morning. It's the 30th of November 2021, and welcome to our Storm morning debrief. Just to record yesterday's action, I think we had a complete reversal of short down Friday, with markets bouncing quite aggressively yesterday, and very news flow driven, it seems, because we've had the Moderna CEO come out with some news flow saying that the new vaccine or vaccines are going to struggle with this new variant. So I think there's a lot of delay and I think a lot of panic this morning, which set in the last hour of the Asian session. So just to look at to some ideas this morning, I think we could have a complete reversal of yesterday's gains. We've obviously got the indicators we can watch to see at the moment. We've got US futures showing down 50 points at about 4,600. We've got the NASDAQ also turning around to 162.85, and commodity prices coming off the boil a bit. So a very volatile session expected today again. So no real hugely stocks. I think we're going to have to risk manage and understand position sizing in this market because the volatility has got up quite a bit. Three ideas this morning. I think the first one is going to be Aspen Pharmaceuticals. I think obviously we saw how Moderna and some of these other guys have traded. I think the trade's probably going to be back to some of these guys, and I think there has been chat or whispers that Aspen might be doing a licensing agreement with J&J or one of the other guys. So I think keep a close eye on Aspen Pharmaceuticals just to watch her. I think, obviously did trade quite well yesterday. Close above 23.75 makes it look quite bullish. We saw that the stock did close up, trade up to nearly 270, 280. I think keep a close eye on this one. This one might show a bit of strength today in a market that could be quite weak. Then the next one is to keep an eye on PPH. I think PPH is coming into the MSCI today in the auction. We know the guys have gone ahead of it, but it hasn't traded great. So maybe there is some left to do today. Watch this one maybe for one to also show some strength into the close. We'll be watching PPH. And then another one, which obviously had news flow yesterday, was Impala's with Royal Bafokeng. But this is another MSCI edition. So keep an eye on Impala's this morning. Then I think Aussie is going to be quite a tricky one this morning. I think obviously it was incredibly strong yesterday, but I think a lot of it could be reversed today. We had banks trade really, really well, which could also reverse quite aggressively this morning. So I think a bit of a wait and see approach. Let's see how the market does take to this news, and tread cautiously. It is the last day of the month. Good luck for today. And so just to recap, Aspen, we're looking probably to buy PPH to hold some strength. Let's see how Impala's trades into the closing auction for MSCI. Good luck.